What is up, guys? Buongiorno. This is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube. Yes, pronunciation videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of famous luxury and fashion Italian brand Versace, with the typical Italian pronunciation Versace. Versace. You do want to emphasize on the sa, and of course the C here is pronounced like it was CH, so Versace. If you want to pronounce the members of the family, this is the founder. His name was Gianni Versace. Gianni. You do want to emphasize on the A here again, Gianni. And of course, who is running the business now is Donatella. You do want to emphasize on the Ella part. Donatella Versace. Versace. If you want to learn more about how to pronounce all of the top luxury brands from all around the world, here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.